achieving a full body workout anywhere.
You don't need a gym or fancy equipment to work every muscle group. With just your body weight and a little creativity, you can train effectively in even the smallest spaces. This guide will show you simple, efficient exercises and routines to build strength, improve fitness, and stay active, no matter where you are.
Bodyweight moves that target all major muscles.
Classic bodyweight exercises are your best tools. For your chest, shoulders, and triceps, do push-ups. Squats and lunges will strengthen your legs and glutes. Planks and mountain climbers target your core. Add in bodyweight rows or door frame pull-ups for your back and biceps. With these moves, you can work your entire body without bulky equipment.
Maximizing small spaces with smart variations.
Limited room doesn't mean limited options. Try narrow or wide stance push-ups, single leg squats, or step-ups on a sturdy chair. Wall sits are perfect for strengthening your legs if you have minimal floor space. Move furniture if necessary for safety, or use walls and doorways for extra support and exercise options.
Putting it together, a sample routine.
Combine exercises into a quick, effective circuit. Try this routine: 10 push-ups, 15 squats, 10 lunges per leg, 30-second plank, and 10 bodyweight rows or reverse angels. Repeat this circuit 3 to 4 times with minimal rest. Adjust repetitions to your fitness level. This sequence ensures every major muscle group gets attention.
Tips for staying motivated at home.
Set clear goals and track your progress. Create a workout calendar or checklist to stay accountable. Change up the routine every few weeks to keep your workouts interesting. Use music or videos to boost energy if you're exercising alone. Remember, consistency is key. Even short sessions in a small space can yield big results with regular effort.